What's up, everybody? This is Rob of Archangel Ink, www.archangelink.com. And in this video, I want to talk a little bit about Authors Direct. Now, it is Audiob August here at Archangel Ink, and we're really excited and jazzed about audiobooks and encouraging people to look into them. There really is an opportunity for folks to get in kind of at the ground floor. The audiobook market is definitely expanding and expanding fast relative to the digital and print book market for self-publishing authors. And it's something that more and more people are getting into, and you have a lot of opportunity to get in when the competition is low. And so we're encouraging authors to look into audiobook production and really, again, take advantage of the options and possibilities that are out there. Now, in terms of options and possibilities, one of them, as I mentioned, is Authors Direct. Now, Authors Direct is in soft launch or beta launch, and it's through Findaway Voices. Findaway already has a system in place that allows you to distribute outside of the ACX channels, that is audible.com and amazon.com and the iTunes bookstore. If you want to make your book available more widely and you have a non-exclusive arrangement with ACX, then you can do that. And Findaway Voices, Author Voices is a way for you to send people over to a custom branded website, and you get to keep 70% of the sales price which you set. Now with ACX, you don't have the option to set a sales price, and your royalty percentage is actually going to be a good bit lower. I believe it's 25% for non-exclusive and 40% for exclusive. In this case, obviously 70% is really nice. And if you're able to set the price point yourself, then that you can actually set the price a little bit lower and get 70% of that, and the price may still, and your royalty may actually still be less, or rather more than what ACX is offering at their 25 or 40% rate, and it's a better deal for your prospective listeners. Now, Author Voices has their own integrated app, so it has speed control, and it's designed to be user-friendly and that kind of thing. And so it's just another option to consider. I'll include a little bit of information down below, and if you are interested in that, let me know and contact us through our website, archangelink.com/contact, and I will be happy to put you in touch with our contact over in Findaway Productions, Findaway Voices, and they can give you some more information and figure out, if that's a good option for you, if that's something you're interested in. And I think, again, it's just a good opportunity. I think more competition is going to be good for the audiobook market right now. ACX has the lion's share of the market. Most of the audiobook sales are going to be through them, through their 3 channels, and they're able to get away with what I think is not the best compensation for their content creators. Being able to keep 25 or 40% of a project is not as good as being able to keep 70%. Now, ACX also has their bounties, which are really highly incentivized users, and so they have their pros and cons. But anyway, having different options, I think, is good and worth considering. So again, if you're interested, feel free to contact us or leave a comment down below, and I will do my best to answer any questions or give you some direction and assistance in exploring that new choice for audiobook producers and self-publishing authors out there. Again, this is Archangel Ink, Rob of Archangel Ink, archangelink.com, and I will see you folks next time.